Greetings, Benjamin J. from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, continuing my experiments with the manual switch to replace the E unit. So what you're looking at is a Marx 1998, and I got this, I don't know, a couple of months ago. Got it for $6 on eBay, and it was just an absolute wreck. I bought it for the parts, actually. And the body had been broken off the frame. Now, this body is not intended to come off. It actually has plastic pegs that go through holes that have been melted over. And someone broke those off and removed the body. The motor was trashed. The E unit didn't work. As you see, it's missing the front and rear trucks, and the thing was just a wreck. Thus, it was $6 on eBay. Anyway, so I got it running. I had to replace the brush plate, and I had to bypass the E unit. So it's never had a reverse in all the time that I've had it running. So I drilled a hole in the back, and I installed a standard hardware store double pole, double throw toggle switch, just to see how it would work as a manual E unit. And in this case, let me turn the power on. In this case, it worked absolutely great. This is $2.49 at Menards. It runs forward, of course. And this actually runs quite well. It's missing the front and rear trucks, and like I said, it was just an absolute wreck when it got here. So it runs forward, flip the switch, and it runs backwards. So you can do this really inexpensively using a standard hardware store double pole, double throw toggle switch. Now, there is no center position on this one, so it's either forward or reverse. There is no neutral. But it works. That's the neat thing about it. It's really easy to do it. 4-wire hookup, and it gives you an instant forward, reverse, and if you use a 3-position switch, of course, it'll give you a neutral. I just bought the cheapest switch they had to see how it works for this application. It actually works quite well. So I will very likely leave this way, because that way I can just pull the body off, and you can see the wiring, how simple it is. So maybe I'll use this as a demo engine to demonstrate installing this switch. Anyway, it works. It's really inexpensive. It only takes a few minutes to do it. And in this case, the locomotive itself was $6. So I haven't lost anything. And it's in fairly poor condition, missing the front and rear trucks. But it runs well. Of course, it does now. And like I said, I had to bypass the E unit just to get it running. So it's never run backwards in all the time that I've had it. So a simple hardware store toggle switch solves the problem of forward and reverse on any Marx motor. Now, this is a double reduction motor, but it's different than the standard Marx motor. Different side plates, completely different motor. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video. This works. This toggle switch is really simple, really inexpensive, and if you don't mind what it looks like, you can use a standard hardware store switch rather than using a micro switch. But I just wanted to test this. Like I said, I got the cheapest double pole, double throw toggle switch I could find. It only took a few minutes. It actually took about 20 minutes to do this. I had to drill the hole, mount the switch, wire it, attach it to the motor. And it works. It works extremely well. So it's really simple. It's really cheap. It's really easy to do it. It only takes a minute. So just wanted to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, benstrains@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.